Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pepper fried egg. So yummy and delicious. So if you want to learn how I made this pepper fried egg, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Thank you so much as you do so, and do not forget to thumbs up, write me comment down there. I would love to read your comments. Let's get started. For ingredients, I have yellow bell pepper, red also, 1 onion, then 4 medium egg, then I have aromats to add seasoning. After that, I have some salt for taste, then olive oil to fry the egg. Next, I have scotch bonnet, which is optional. You don't have to add this if you don't want it spicy, but I'm going to be using half of it. I've washed the bell peppers, so the next thing I'm going to do is to use a knife and cut it into ring size, because I'm going to be frying the egg in the pepper ring. So that's what I'm going to do now, cut the pepper into ring size. After cutting the bell pepper into ring size, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to take out the seed because I don't want that, and the seed is bitter. I'm going to cut the red one off camera to save time. That's the bell pepper after cutting it into ring size. I'm going to keep that aside for later use. Next, I'm going to chop the red and the yellow bell pepper. Then chop the scotch bonnet, which is optional, you don't have to use this. Chop the onion. After doing that, I'm going to mix it with the egg. After chopping all the onion and peppers, next I'm going to add some salt, then add some aromat for seasoning but not too much. Then I'm going to mix it together with spoon, mix it so well until it's well combined. Then I'll start cracking in the egg into the plate. With a spoon, I'm mixing the egg and the pepper until it's well combined before frying. Next step is to fry, and I have my pot heating up in a medium high. To that, I'm going to add light olive oil. Let's say about 2 tablespoons of light olive oil. After that, I'm going to drop in the peppers. After dropping the pepper ring into the hot pan, next I'm going to scoop a tablespoon of the egg mixture into the pepper ring. A tablespoon, full tablespoon, and I'm going to allow it to fry for 3 to 4 minutes before flicking it over. After frying on one side for 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to flick it over. But while I'm flicking it over with the spoon, I'm using one of my fingers to support and help me. If not, I'm going to lose the shape of the egg in the pepper ring, which I don't want that. So be careful while flicking your own over. After frying for 8 to 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Golden brown, beautiful, yummy. So next I'm going to scoop it out. Look at that. I'm giving you this to all my subscribers. This is for you. So I'm going to scoop it out and fry the rest of the camera, then I'll show you the final result. So guys, this is the final result. Pepper fried egg. Pair with toast. You can also pair this with rice, even boiled yam, fried yam. To be honest, you can eat this with almost everything. You can even eat it on its own. So yummy and delicious, and I cannot wait for you all to try this. Please, if you try this, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to tag me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. Do not forget to thumbs up this video. Write me a comment down there. I would love to read your comment. If you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please do so. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you are not going to miss out. This is Continental Food and Cake TV, and my name is Joy Joy. I will appreciate as you do so. Thank you for subscribing. I love you all. I'm going to write all the ingredients that I used in making this in the description box, so check that out. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.